Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Learn with Mansi. I make videos related to information, knowledge, art and craft, and most commonly, knowledge beyond books. So basically, I just received an email from YouTube. It was like the month review of my channel. Like it was like Learn with Mansi as your channel did last month. So first of all, thank you very much that I had 340 minutes watched this month. That's 5.667 whole hours. So I'm very glad to see that. So I was just scrolling down that and I just found like a blog, or you can say a para, which was related to tackling systematic racism. It was just like जो रंग भेद हो रहा है आजकल. Now, like in the modern world, just black creators speak up against racial injustice. Like I just want to speak up on the racial injustice, and YouTube originals called Bear Witness Take Action was hosted by Common and KK Palmer to support the Equal Justice Initiative. So I just wanted to creating a content to inspire change, like the change which is going on, like nepotism and all. So I just wanted something to make related to this topic to inspire the changes. So let's initiate. So on Saturday, June 13, Common and KK Palmer hosted a conversation called Bear Witness Take Action to create a virtual space. It raised awareness on the urgent need for racial justice and supported the Equal Justice Initiative. What we guys are following is that conversation only, Bear Witness Take Action. It's an official YouTube blog. I think first of all we should study the case of George Floyd's death, because it was like in the headlines of the world's newspapers and all. So first of all, the video of George Floyd's death at the hands of police in Minneapolis triggered protest around the whole world. It brought renewed attention and action to the high-profile deaths of Black Americans during the past decades and ongoing concerns about systematic racism in the criminal justice system. And it is a case of America in Washington, D.C. The police response in some cities has further fueled protesters, leading to calls to defund the police. And they are also eager to know that why the police and the cops just triggered George Floyd. Like, does he pursued any crime? Was he a criminal, or he was just killed because of his dark skin complexion? So in Washington DC, Donald Trump's use of the military and federal police to seize control of parts of the cities. जो वॉशिंगटन डीसी में जो प्रेसिडेंट ट्रम्प थे, उन्होंने मतलब मिलिट्री और फेडरल पुलिस का यूज किया कंट्रोल करने के लिए. जो उनका जो रेज था, उनका जो गुस्सा था, जो वहाँ की लोकल कम्युनिटी थी पीपल से, उनका गुस्सा थोड़ा डाउन करने की कोशिश की. And dispersing peaceful protesters in Lafayette Square near the White House has drawn heavy criticism from the public and from the top military figures too. Floyd's killing in the midst of the coronavirus pandemic. Coronavirus तो था ही, उसके साथ साथ जो फ्लॉयड की किलिंग थी, it was also a disproportionately infected and killed black people, has exposed long-standing racial inequities in every aspect of American life and forced a deep reckoning across society. And like what they are going through, only they knows. Like जिसके साथ होता है उसे कोई पता होता है. Like something is happened with us, only we will know ना. कुछ चीज अपने साथ गुजरी है वो हमें पता रहेगी, और कुछ चीज जो उनके साथ गुजर रही है वो उन्हें पता होगी. Like it was like we are तो now studying about Floyd's killing, but there must be many people who has been died or whose life is endangered due to this racism. Like, why you guys need to follow the racism? Like, I am also in the protest to just stop, to just ban the fair skin fairning creams. Like, आपको क्या करना है गोरे होके? Like, our heart should be pure. अपना जो दिल है वो साफ होना चाहिए. Like, because अगर आप बहुत अच्छी स्किन है, आपकी बहुत अच्छी स्किन टोन है, you have a fair complexion, and उसके उल्टा ही you are not having any manners, like you are just hurting the other peoples by your harsh sounds, by your harsh vocabs or words. What's the use of that fair complexion? Like, आपका जो वो गोरापन है वो भी रबिश है. That's also waste. That is also useless. आप अगर किसी के काम ना आए then you are useless ना. अपन को गोरा काला क्या होता है, ये रंग भेद. That's just a color. And one is also mentality. Like, the people who are having the dark skin complexion are also suffered by untouchabilities, and like many fair complexions, like who have many, like the many people who are having fair complexion are wearing black. They should also follow the racism at the point of clothes, because वो भी तो black है. Why you guys don't understand this point? Like, black, white, nothing is there. We all are human. That is common. And like, I think जो racism follow करते हैं उनसे तो ज़्यादा अच्छे जो black people है वो ही हैं. Like Nelson Mandela, he was a African, and at that time the slave, जो दासी प्रथा थी उस टाइम पे, जो black people थे उन्हें दास बनाकर रखा जाता था. So I think that's it for the today's video. So I would like to wrap up this session of like expressing our views by YouTube. So first of all, a big thanks to the official YouTube blog Bear Witness Take Action to seek me as an eligible person or an eligible child to express my notations on that. In the dictionary of races, being dark and being ugly had the same meaning. Preferred coffee, black. Preferred soft drink, black. Preferred dress, black. Preferred car, black. Preferred eyes, black. Preferred hair, black. Preferred color, black. Preferred life partner, white. Why is this so? If we're preferring everything black, why you can't accept the black peoples then? Why only white is like touching your heart? If black was wrong and white was right, no wonder we are still human, and it should be your inner eyesight.